What up, peeps? It's your boy AVX back with another YouTube video. Today is a challenge video. We're doing the vending machine challenge, actually. I said it in my last video I was going to do it, and well, we're doing it. Rules are pretty simple. Anything that I get has to come from a vending machine, but I do have some wildcard rules. Those consist of, like, I can pick up traps and stuff like that. I can also eat the mushrooms around the map and use like any of the apples and campfires that spawn around and stuff like that. I can also pick up people's traps and ammo, mats, etc. Anyway, that's it. I hope y'all enjoy. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. I did absolutely zero research on this challenge, so like I actually have like no idea where any vending machines are. I remember in my last challenge video though that there are some vending machines over in this general area, so I'm going to land right here because I'm pretty sure there's one over here. This should be easy. I see myself. Is that a llama? Oh my god, it's a llama. We won. Oh my god, this challenge is so much easier. I guess I didn't mention I can loot llamas. That's another wildcard rule. I was supposed to mention that in the last video and I never did. I don't care if you guys just say, oh, you fucking not a good challenge video. I don't care. I haven't found a llama in so long, so this makes my life so much easier. I saw an SMG, a grenade launcher, and a sniper. I don't really want that sniper, to be honest. No. I don't want the grenade launcher either, so I think I'm just gonna keep it like that. We'll move over to this one over by what's it called? Tomato Temple. I was gonna say Tomato Town. Wasn't it called Tomato Town? I swear it was. Anyway, we're gonna move over here. I just want to see if there's any other vending machines over here. Hopefully. I'm pretty sure they spawn in randomly. Like, it's randomized if they, like, always spawn or not, or whatever. Hopefully it's, like, a good vending machine with maybe at least a pump shotgun or, like, some shields. Okay, we have shields. I'll buy all the shields in there. Oh, nope. I can definitely beat this guy. Oh yeah, I can definitely beat this guy. What the hell is this guy doing? Oh, never mind, I'm horrible. Okay, so we got mats again. I believe there's a vending machine out this way. And it's a gray vending machine. My luck. What's in it though? It's only 50. I guess I can get burst. At least have an AR. The last challenge was horrible because I couldn't get shields. Oh, there's mats over here too. There's the what's in here. The same as that other one. Fucking horrible. Alright, I think Retail Row might have a cool campfire. I did change the skin. This is more fitting. I do like this skin. I used to rock this skin all the time back then, dude. Don't land on me, don't land on me, don't land on me. Leave me alone. Thank fuck. I was so scared. I don't want to fight anyone right now. I need to get better loot before I fight. But as a pump shotgun, I will gladly take that over attack any day of the week. I really don't like attack. Do I need a medkit? I'll get a medkit, at least one. Is it outside? Oh, what the fuck? Man, what? I don't even know what happened. I was 1 second. I'm just fucking minding my own business. Next second, I just get lit down. We're going same spot. We're gonna roll with that. I think this is a pretty good spot. Just 4 different vending machines around each other. If nothing's good in that one, you can always go to that one, or you can always go to that one. I feel like it's kind of populated over in this area, though. Ooh, it's a purple one. double barrel, dual wield pistols, rocket launcher. I could go for a rocket launcher. Come on. No. Yes! How the fuck did I survive that? A rocket launcher and a double barrel. I am gonna struggle to make this work. A lot of wood around here. This might be. Imagine it's a legendary one, just has a scar in it or something like that. I'd actually cream. Holy shit! Oh, what the fuck? It is legendary. Oh! What? And you're telling me the fucking wooden one is a porta-fort? Are we dead ass? Golden scar, here I come. Literally. Alright, what else do we have? What's metal in here? Double barrel, don't need. I guess I could get this just in case. I mean, why not? Oh, campfire! Oh my, that's luck. This is a lucky game. Campfire? No, bro. I don't even care. Nope. What? Why is he reloading? What's going on? What? It wouldn't let me shoot my shot, dude. How did I fumble that shit so hard? I have decided that I'm not going to be landing Wailing Woods anymore. I'm only opening these so I can take the ammo and the mats out of it because I'm too lazy to actually mine all the mats. I heard gunshots over there. Metal is only 8 hours. It's a purple one, fuck. Alright. I just got mine a lot. Oh, come on. I'll take it, I guess. It's like the only thing we can take. If someone landed here, we are so fried. Hunting rifle, an SMG, and a pistol. Are we dead ass? And the zone's like a fucking. Someone up there. Oh, he had rocket ammo. He had a little bit of mats. Double barrel. Chug jug. I'll take you. I've definitely had better, obviously. What's this one? Watch, blue. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, it's metal for 100. For that AR. I have to get an AR. I need an AR. Okay, this loadout's not looking half bad. It's just, I need a shotgun. Like, this is a doable loadout. I'll go eat some mushrooms over here, and maybe I can go... I know there's a rift over here somewhere. Like, right there or something. Are we dead ass? I need 150? 150 metal? Are we dead ass right now? What? What the fuck? Okay. Dude, definitely, bro clearly saw me. It was like, yeah, you chill. Don't go after me, bro. Come on. You know better than to not fight, Papa. Oh my god. But that game, I never even posted it. Okay, we got a shotgun, guys. I don't even have enough for it. Are we dead? Alright, we gotta get over to that. What the fuck? Like, who's realistically chugging all of this shit, bruh? Half of it, like, ain't even going into his mouth. It's all just spilling around him. Okay. Loadout ain't looking half bad now. That soccer stadium might have... Alright. What was that? You guys are all about to die. What? What? One. I'm on top of you now. If I kill you, you know how much better that makes me. Dumb idea, dumb idea, dumb idea, dumb idea, dumb idea. Ooh! Holy ore farm! There's someone up there. How that one nigga? How did he not see me? Holy aura! Ha, bitch! We'll start off with a different area. We'll start off over here. We'll see how this vending machine is. I'll get some materials right here. Like some, I'll just get brick over here and shit like that, and then I'll go in there and get some wood and stuff. Get the gist. This might be a good game. Hopefully. Alright, let's see what it is. Green. So it's fucking dog shit, bruh. I'd actually rather have no weapon than have any of those. Let's just get a bunch of materials and we'll go to the one over by Wailing Woods. I just do like, when I get enough people that actually start watching my videos and stuff, I do want to do like Q&As and stuff like that. When I hit a certain amount of like subscribers and likes and all that stuff, I'll do like maybe a face reveal or something like that, but as of right now, I'm not really looking into any of that. It was metal. Metal was the best one. Fuck. I could definitely do it though. Okay, our first weapon is going to be attack. See, I'm not mad about that. It's a blue tack too, so it's actually like, you know, a good fucking weapon. Not some dog shit ass like gray tack that we had last game. I know I'm not the only one that's... Oh. Epic plays! Oh, how did I not get him? I think I'm gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. I might do a part 2 to this just to, you know, maybe actually get a win. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for other videos. Like and subscribe. Follow the TikTok. It's the same name as my YouTube. I just post short clips on there, or if you're coming from the TikTok even, hi. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. Talk soon.